What is up, YouTube? Welcome to the Sweet Outdoors. How you guys doing tonight? Man, I tell you, I hope you guys are having a wonderful Memorial Day weekend. Celebrate accordingly, responsibly. Remember, you see a vet or you know of a vet, thank him. They are the reason you have the freedom to watch my videos. Okay. Tonight's video it's a knife. It's actually two knives. It's an unboxing. I couldn't pass it up. Could not pass it up. It was too good of a deal. Let me get everything set up. We'll be back. We're back. Alright. Tonight's knives. Nope, it's not a Mora. It is the CuCut. I don't know if you can see that. You probably can't, can you? That's what there it is. Alright, it's a CuCut outdoor knife, 2-pack, sheath included. A companion heavy duty knife, fixed blade, good for batoning, carving, tinder, and cutting wood, ideal for camping, hunting, and adventures. Alright, made in China. Why am I so fixed on these two knives? Wait, here we go. Let me give you some specifications first. Overall length, 8.18 inches. Blade length, 3.5 inches. Thickness, 0.118. Weight, 3.4 ounces. Blade material, for you knife gurus, 1.4116.x50 CRME V15 high carbon stainless steel. Did you get all that? Handle, anti-slip TPR soft grip. Okay, enough of that. I found these on Amazon. I was just scrolling through, looking around, and these popped up. And at first, looking at them, like I said, they look like a Mora. Both of these knives together in this box, this set right here, was $12 friggin'. Yeah, I couldn't pass it up, guys. Couldn't. So let's check it out. Alright, we got two knives here. And yes, look at that. That looks just like the Mora Companion. Looks like the little bait knives you buy at Walmart. I mean, that looks identical. Same plastic sheath, the little thumb release right there, the good grip on it. Alright, this is the black one. It's sharp. It ain't BPS sharp, but it's sharp. That feels real good in the hand. This is a really good, comfortable knife. Definitely a good all-purpose knife for your bag. Whew, excuse me. Busy day today. Got up early. Yeah, that feels really good in the hand. Now let's check out the other one. And yes, they lock inside the sheath. Alright, here's the polished high carbon stainless. Now that's weird. This one, for some reason, feels sharper than this one. This will shave. That's very interesting. Let's check this one. No. The black one doesn't shave. And it don't even feel as sharp as the polished. I don't know that this is a Scandi grind. I believe it said full tang. I'm not 100% sure. It doesn't say. It's probably just like the Mora. It's probably at, you know, about halfway at least. But man, that is, you talk about a good grip. That has got a good grip on it. Anti-slip. I mean, you're not gonna. It's got a really good grip on this, guys. Feels really good. This is a really nice looking knife. Feels really good too. Now, I am wondering, can we get the edge on this one that we have on the polished steel? I'll let you know. So I'll definitely try. But I really like these knives, man. I mean, 12 bucks. I mean, that's even cheaper than the cheapest Mora. Cheapest Mora is like $15. What? You get both of these Mora clones for $12. I will definitely put a link in the description. Like I said, I've got these off Amazon. I will put a link in the description for you so you can go check them out if you like it. This is a great addition to any pack, guys. I mean, I guarantee you this has got some decent quality to it. Just, I mean, it feels so freaking sturdy. I mean, this knife feels good. I love the BPS knives. That's what I will be carrying, what I carry when I go out. But I believe I found my new fishing knife. That's for sure. This thing feels good. Do me a favor. Go ahead and like and subscribe, guys. Appreciate it. Yes, if you would, please do me a favor and go ahead and like and subscribe. Hit that notification button so you will be notified next time I do a video. And like I said, happy Memorial Day weekend. Don't really know what my plans are yet. Today is Saturday. Did some fishing today. Hung some trail cameras out on the property. Cooked me a nice delicious steak on the grill. Some delicious old-fashioned lima beans in the crock pot. I'm sure you've seen them. And tomorrow, I don't know what's in store yet. Might go fishing. Might not. I might take tomorrow off and just sit around the house and relax. Monday, I've got some work to do out on the property. The next coming weekend, I plan on going to Jacksonville to visit one of my daughters that are up there. And just trying to stay busy, guys. I got the week off work, trying to enjoy my time off, relax, and just catch up on some around the house, some honeydews and stuff like that. That's really all I got tonight, guys. That's it. I don't know what else to say, guys. Be safe. God bless. Get outside, people.